Aha, so I bet you're the culprit. Are you eating my tomato plant? Huh? Are you eating my tomato plant? Quit it. You look like it. You're all big and fat. I don't even know what you are. I know you're a grasshopper, but I've never seen one like you. Alright, I'm making my pico de gallo for my chalupas today and my taco bowls for tomorrow. So I cut up 3 Roma tomatoes, put in some onion. Got a little bit of lemon here. I'm going to squeeze that in. Oh, I need my jalapeno, don't I? Jalapeno. Yeah, he's starting to shrivel up. And I'm going to put in some fresh garlic. Yeah, I need to start using this. So this is going to go in there. And salt, pepper. Since I'm going to use raw garlic, I'm not going to put any garlic powder in it right now. But okay, let's put the lid on and crank. Alright, that sure does smell good. I bet I can't take this lid off. Hey, there we go. Ooh, yum. Yum, yum. And you know what? I don't really have any corn chips. So, let's just taste it with a fork. Needs more salt. A little bit more lemon. Okay, that'll be good. Yep, there you are, little rascal. I can't even see you. Yeah, right here. Get off my tomato plant. Okay, got my beans in the pressure cooker. I'm going to put a little bit of this ham in there, a little bit of seasonings, and then get this started for chalupas today for lunch. How long do y'all cook your pinto beans? I've started at about 35 minutes. Now I'm up to 50 minutes, so we'll see how these turn out. So here are those frozen avocados. Yeah, if you've been watching my videos, you've seen that my avocados are just crap anytime I buy them anymore. So I bought this one time, and they're frozen, but then when I get home, I just put them in the refrigerator. And it doesn't say keep them frozen or anything like that. Oh, it does say keep frozen right there. Dang it. Oh, well, let's open them up and see what they look like. And y'all can't have any of these. No, you can't. Don't use your teeth to open packages. I cannot get this open. So why do you think it always says keep frozen? Because, can you see? I don't want to dump them on the floor. Here, let me turn it around. And they've been in the refrigerator several days. So why does it say keep frozen? I don't know. But I'm going to use them. And I'm going to make some guacamole for my chalupas. And this is my secret ingredients. Alright, I'm going to put it's hard to tell by smell because it's got citric acid in it. So it kind of smells sour. Ooh. Alright, let's mash. Make guacamole. And I need some seasonings. Like I said a minute ago, I don't have any corn chips, so I'm going to make chips if you watched my... Gosh, I'm getting lost on videos. I guess it was my meal plan video. I have all these, so I'm going to make chips out of that. Hi, babies. Ow. Yeah. Some garlic powder. Onion powder. Pepper. Salt. And trying to get as much, I made iced tea today. Trying to get as much out of this lemon as I can get out of it. Yeah. Boy, Sammy, you were thirsty. Yeah, you ran out of water, didn't you? Alright, let's taste. I say that's good. Good to go. Well, this is a different view, isn't it? I finally got my cell phone holder. And I thought, well, I had it. Y'all saw that unboxing video. And I was going to put it in the truck. And I thought, I'm driving the van more than I am the truck. So why don't we see if it works in here? And I don't like it on my dash. So I have it down here on the doghouse area. So anyway, I am headed to the post office. Go check the mail for the office and for Deborah and myself.